Hello guys, today I am going to discuss about a product named Dentablist Toothpaste. Prior to entering into the topic, I will let you know what I am going to discuss about this toothpaste. That is the general information of Dentablist Toothpaste, composition of Dentablist Toothpaste, that is whatever the ingredients present in Dentablist, and the mechanism of action of each ingredient, and the uses of Dentablist Toothpaste, side effects, and the review of Dentablist Toothpaste. Here I have placed the picture. Look at this. It is how the Dentablist toothpaste looks like. The general information of the Dentablist toothpaste. Its brand name is Dentablist, and the category is allopathic, and it is oral, as we are going to use it in our mouth, and it is available in toothpaste form. The pack available in the market is 80 grams tube, and the manufacturer of Dentablist toothpaste is Smart Laboratories Private Limited. And in order to purchase this Dentablist toothpaste, you need a doctor's prescription, that is a prescription from a doctor. Now coming to the composition of Dentablist toothpaste, there are actually three main ingredients present in Dentablist toothpaste. They are potassium nitrate, and it is available in 5% quantity, and the sodium monofluorophosphate, that is it is present in it in 0.70% quantity, and third ingredient is triclosan, that is it is available in 0.30% quantity. Now I will let you know the mechanism of action of each ingredient. I mean how the ingredients are going to act in reducing the tooth sensitivity. Here coming to potassium nitrate, actually it is a chemical compound with a chemical formula KNO3. Potassium ions and the nitrate ions. Potassium ions, that is K plus ions, and the nitrate ions, NO3 minus ions, combine together to form KNO3. And how it is going to act? Actually potassium nitrate calms the nerve fibers present in the teeth, thereby reducing the tooth sensitivity. And also potassium nitrate helps in reducing the tooth cavities. And coming to sodium monofluorophosphate, it is an inorganic chemical compound with a chemical formula Na2PO3F, and both this potassium nitrate and sodium monofluorophosphate occurs in a salt form. When you look at these compounds, they similarly looks like a salt. And how is sodium monofluorophosphate going to act? I will let you know. Similarly, as potassium nitrate, sodium monofluorophosphate also calms the nerve fibers present in the teeth, thereby reducing the tooth sensitivity. Actually, the mechanism is when these nerve fibers present in the teeth get exposed to cold or hot temperature, then the sensitivity arises. I mean, if you going to eat any ice cream, then you will feel the pain in your teeth as sensitivity arises. And what these compounds going to do means they block the nerve fibers. As the nerve fibers didn't get exposed to any temperature, then it prevents the sensitivity, helping in preventing the sensitivity. And also sodium monofluorophosphate helps in strengthening your enamel, that is the structure present around your teeth. Enamel helps in preventing the tooth decay. So the sodium monofluorophosphate helps in strengthening your enamel, and also helps in preventing your dental cavities. Now coming to triclosan, actually it is an antibacterial and antifungal agent, that is it helps in preventing oral infection. This compound is generally available in consumer products including toothpaste, soaps, detergents, etc. How triclosan is going to act? It helps in killing the bacteria and fungus, thereby preventing the dental contamination, dental decay, and also gums infections. So all this together, all these three compounds, potassium nitrate, sodium monofluorophosphate, triclosan, combine together and works better in preventing the tooth sensitivity. Now coming to the uses of this toothpaste. This toothpaste can be used to prevent the tooth sensitivity, as we already learned about it. It also can be used to prevent dental decay and gums infection. Gum infection means gingivitis. This Dentablist toothpaste also helps in reducing the mouth infections, and this toothpaste can be used in reducing pain caused due to tooth sensitivity, and also this toothpaste can be used in strengthening the tooth enamel. Now coming to the side effects of this toothpaste. This toothpaste can cause mouth ulcers if used too frequently. If you are going to use more than twice a day, then there are chances that results in a mouth ulcers. And also this toothpaste can cause thinning of teeth if used too frequently. The thickness of the teeth will be lost. And also this toothpaste may leads to gums bleeding if used too frequently, and also it may cause mouth irritation and loss of taste sensitivity if you are going to use it too frequently. Now I will let you know how to use this toothpaste. As usual, rinse your mouth with water, then apply toothpaste on your toothbrush and brush your teeth for a minimum of 3 minutes and not more than 6. You have to maintain the time. Don't use it for more than 6 minutes. And again, rinse your mouth with water. Now there are a few points which should be remembered. Use soft bristled toothbrush if you have any problem of tooth sensitivity. I mean, there are brands available in the market which there are ultra fine toothbrushes available in the market. You can use them in order to get relief from tooth sensitivity. And next, brush your teeth twice daily, and once in the morning and then in the night prior to sleep. Please don't use this toothpaste for more than 2 times in a day. And next, coming to the third point which should be remembered, that is keep the toothpaste away from the children. This toothpaste is not recommended for children under the age of 8. There are other toothpaste available for children. You can use them. Now coming to the review, actually the combination of potassium nitrate, sodium monofluorophosphate and triclosan, all this together works better in reducing the tooth sensitivity to a large extent. So you can use this combination for a longer period. And many brands are available in the market with the same combination. However, the affordability and the working efficiency of Dentablist is better when compared to that of competitors. I mean, the toothpaste with the same combination are a little bit more expensive when compared to this Dentablist toothpaste. So you can consider to use this toothpaste more frequently. And if you have any questions related to your tooth sensitivity or related to this toothpaste, you can book an appointment. Most of the sensitivity issues would not get solved by using only this Dentablist toothpaste. There are other processes also to be followed in order to get relief from your tooth sensitivity. If you want to book an online consultation, then the details are provided in the video description. Kindly have a look. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and please click on bell button to get the latest updates. Thank you.